We hustle daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Oh, that's the radio. Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video, guys. We are in the Pontiac, man. We in the Pontiac. Pontiac sound like a beast. This lady want to race me. She don't want to race, bro. She don't want to race me, dog. She don't want to race me. Welcome back to the channel, Hustle Nation. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell, man. Well, no. Let me not do it. Let me not play around trying to pass emissions. Y'all know last night when I was driving this car, it got ready for emissions. So I'm like, damn, but it gave me a lien code. So listen, the car was good when I first bought it. Then when I drove it home, you know what I'm saying, it gave me a lien code. And then cleared the code. Then yesterday when I drove it out, it's back good again. So I'm about to go get emissions for it right now. You know what I'm saying? Just in case, you just never know, you know what I'm saying? Right. Might as well just have the emissions and stuff already. I was about to show y'all the car and everything before I even left out, but I wanted to really like start the car up, get y'all, I didn't get y'all the code started or nothing, I'm sorry. But I really wanted to just start the car up, you know what I'm saying, and literally come out here and I forgot to tighten that screw up. And come out here and get emissions for this car, man, because y'all make sure y'all keeping up with the videos, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all follow me on all social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, and the link in the description below. And make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com because everybody ain't doing this, man. Everybody ain't doing this, dog. And by the way, guys, I only had this car for like 3 days. I know there's a lot of videos that I'm releasing on the car, but so I don't know like how the order is, but like I've only had this car 3 days, and I put the door on, I put the fender on, everything, man. And I'm back riding on the streets. Today, in today's video, so we're about to go get emissions, and we're gonna probably see, I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time to do it today, so I don't really know where today's video is gonna go. But we need to go to a paint shop and see how much they gonna charge your boy to paint this guy right here, you feel me? And then, yeah, we definitely need to go to that paint shop, man. Ooh, damn, that's a big ass hump in the road. Ooh. Ouch. Missed it. Perfect. Alright, man, you gonna let me open, man? Come on, I gotta get over, bro. I don't like putting my signal on because that's when people really don't let you over. But pulling over here to a emissions station right here, looks like. Let me see. Yeah. Oh, this is what we going right here. They want to charge $22. Ooh, and they open. Ain't nobody even in this thing. Nobody even in that thing. Let me in them motherfucker. I know you hear this car. Get on up out of there, boy. You hear this car, dog? Yeah. You hear it purring like a kitten. So, all right. I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on. Let y'all know if I pass or whatever the case may be. You feel me? So give me a second. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. I guess I can just go ahead and show y'all the cars while I go ahead and get emissions. Y'all see what's going on? So y'all remember I put the door on. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all check out that video when I put the handle on and all that, the door on and all that. And yesterday, like I say, we put the fender on. So the car is looking way, way better now. We still got to do a better wash. And we still got to put this up here. Like, because as you can see, I didn't even really attach all of that. Because, again, y'all, I don't know if I'm going to fix that body damage that's up under the fender. I don't know yet. But we are going to get the car sprayed. My partner was saying that I should get it sprayed another color. But we are not going to do that, y'all. We're going to spray it the original burgundy, and I don't really see this burgundy a lot either, so I think that's a good thing, bro. So y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. But I also see that this right here is out just a little bit, no big deal, and this right here, but again, no big deal, man. But the car is coming along looking really good, guys. I actually like it. I like driving it and everything like that. Other than, like, if this car passed emissions, I'll feel way, 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 way better about it because, like I told y'all, that lien code, like, it's just something about, like, when you driving around and your goddamn check engine light on, like, I don't really like that, you feel me? So, yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know if we pass emissions, give y'all a whole walk around of the car because it's kind of hard to do it right here. And yeah, guys, I'll be back in a second. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, And as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. Yeah, buddy. Now I get to show y'all the full car, man. So y'all know this mug good. Nah, at least I feel like I know it's good now. So next up is tires, man. We got to get some tires for this joint, bruh. Tires. So let's actually inspect all the tires right now and see which ones we need. Man, I fixed this car quick, bro. It ain't looking good on that side. I know it. It's all good though. All right, so tires, let's see. That one decent, right? Let me take a picture of this so I'll know. 245, 40, 19. This is why we changing this tire first. You see that, you know what I'm saying, that bulge right there. 245, 40, 19. So that one's definitely getting changed ASAP. 245, 40, 18. That one's, man, I'm not about to change all these tires. Let me not act like I am. 245, 40, 19. So we got the slotted rotors in there. Okay, so if I keep the car, guys, I want this. Okay, I want this one light again. That other one is black over there, the one that came with the fender with the other guy. But I think I want to paint these. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the chrome, cause maybe I should just keep it like this, bro, because you can see the chrome accents right here, and right here. I wanted to put some bronze or some gold wheels on it. I mean, hell no, I'm tripping. I'm talking about spending money. I'm talking about I wanted to paint those, splashy dip those bronze or gold. That's what I mean to say. And leave the center caps black like that. I think that would have been hard. But, yeah, man, no sunroof for your boy, though. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. Let me figure out where I'm going to get this tire from. Let me debate if I'm going to get a new tire or a used tire. Y'all know how the game go. I seen some on Craigslist, actually, though. They was cheap. For like, and you get the rims and a tire, so maybe I'll do that. I don't know. I'm gonna pull over and actually figure out what I'm gonna do. I hope this shit take like gas, because shit, that's what I'm gonna put in here. It shouldn't take no racing fuel or nothing like that, or hopefully not. You know what I'm saying? Cause I ain't got none of that. I don't even know where to get that shit from. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know where to get that motherfucking shit from, nigga. Alright though. Let me back this up, find me a tire place, and then we'll go from there. So, cut. All right, after calling around, looks like Walmart does not have the tire. They want $240 something for at Goodyear. Maybe I'll try somebody else. What is another tire place? Tire shops near me, because damn, I ain't want to spend $250 on a damn tire, bro. Like, come on, dog. Hey, but that's what you get when you ride in these cars. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try. Let me try these people. All right, give me a minute. Let me see if I can find a cheaper tire, guys. Sorry, the camera was over there. All right, guys. So we found a tire. It's gonna be $180 out the door with everything. So we definitely gonna get that. You feel me? We definitely gonna get that and be done with it. We gonna get a new tire. We ain't gonna be super cheap. We gonna get a new one today, y'all. All right. I like that Mercedes. I know it's long, but I like it. That AMG GT. But I'll catch y'all in a minute, man. Let me go get this tire. See y'all at the tire shop. Oh, look at him. You wanna race me? All right, y'all. We are at the cab tire, man. So the cab tire about to get me right. Y'all can see the sign or whatever. So they gave me the best price, so that's what I'm gonna go with. So we about to get this tire changed, and that's it. Let me get my stuff out of here, you know what I mean? But other than that, let me go pay, and then we're gonna get back on the road. Oh, we gotta go get some JB Well, man. We gotta go to Walmart and all that, bro. So we got a lot of stuff to do, man. So be back with y'all in a second. Let me punch you in the mouth. Hold on. Hold your face up. Yeah. So we are going to get 2 tires for the Pontiac. Hey, shout out to the Cab Tire. If y'all interested in some tires, y'all come down here. What the address at on this joint? Hey, Sandy Springs, the Cab Tire. That's where we at right now, I think. Yeah. What's that? Okay, 6179 Cab Tire. I think this is Roswell Road. So if y'all need some good quotes on some tires, make sure y'all come down here to the Cab Tire, because he hooking me up, man. I'm about to pay for 2 tires. He charging me $366 for the 2 tires. I called my boy Phantom Mobiles. Make sure y'all follow my boy Phantom Mobiles on YouTube. And I asked his opinion. He was like, "You gonna get 1 tire? Gonna get 1 tire?" I'm like, "Yeah, bro." He's like, "Nah, man, at least get 2." So I'm like, "I bet I get 2." Hey, this joint got that. It's the RS, I think, but you know, it's an SS. How disrespectful of me to disrespect it like that. But it's blue with the orange interior. Y'all can see that orange. I don't want to get all up on his whip like that. Ooh, they got the flag in there. They gang banging. See it? Y'all can't really see it. That's orange. But yeah, man, that's the SS. SS. It got drilled and slotted rotors. My man was trying to sell me something, boy. Oh, I definitely got to get some, like, I think I got to get some of them things, them lug nuts for my car. You see how his lug nuts is blue right there? Let me zoom in for y'all. I think I want some of them like that on there. He was saying, man, I should keep the car and all of this and all of that. Man, this stuff costs money, man. When you doing stuff like that and you playing and you trying to have fun with your cars and stuff like that, like, you just gotta, I don't know, man. I ain't really into that type of stuff. Y'all know me. I don't really like spending no money like that. But I do enjoy the car, man. I do enjoy the car. I like it. And we still ain't went to see paint or nothing, but I'll catch y'all in a minute, man. Look at that thing over there looking like a beast. Ooh, that thing look good. Yeah. All right, Hustle Nation, we are. I wonder why they raising the back, the back up. But yeah, guys, we're getting the tires. Now I was trying to see why they was raising the back up. But all right. So we out of here. We paid everything, guys. So we about to get on the road. Let y'all take one look at this thing. We look at the tires one more time. We put the tires on the back, so the good tires are now on the back. You feel me? So the good tires now on the back. The bad tires are now on the front. Y'all let me know in the comments below what they supposed to do. Are you supposed to put the good tires on the back or the front? Let me know in the comments below. I always thought you put them on the front because that's where the steering wheel is and you can control it. But I don't know, some people could probably argue that it's a rear-wheel drive, so you put them on the back. You feel me? But other than that, guys, it is going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. I'm actually, so the things that we got to do, come on, get in there. The thing that we got to do is take this off. We got to get some JB weld for the other side, and we still got to see how much paint gonna cost. So we still got a couple little things to do. Look at my mirror, man. So this is what I'm saying about the JB weld. I'm gonna just JB weld this shit. Like, you feel me? But yeah, it is what it is right now. But shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Matter of fact, yeah, I'll take it for y'all. Y'all can hear it one more time. Ooh, baby, my friend. My friend. So y'all hear what's going on, dog? Yay. Yay. Breathe it in. Breathe it in. Suck it in. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all, man. It's your boy Ray. Big Play Ray, man. I'm out.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir.
We're getting it in the pandemic.
You already know, man.
We don't give a damn about no depression, recession. We gonna make it happen.
You already know, man.